Hello friends, welcome to your channel Career Ladder. This is a very interesting story with simple words and short sentences. Use this story to improve your listening, reading and speaking skills. Let's start. The Little Red Kite. Once upon a time, there was a little red kite. It lived in a small village. Every day, it watched children playing. The kite wanted to fly high in the sky. It dreamed of flying. One sunny day, a boy named Tim found the kite. Tim was alone. He had no friends. I will help you fly, Tim said. The kite was excited. Please make me fly, it whispered. Tim took the kite to the big field. The wind was blowing gently. Tim held the kite. He started to run. The kite lifted off the ground. I am flying, said the kite. Higher and higher it went. The kite felt happy. Thank you, Tim. I'm free. Up in the sky, the kite saw the village. It saw houses and trees. It saw the river. The kite saw Tim. Tim was smiling. Tim was waving. Look at me, shouted the kite. I can see everything. Tim and the kite played every day. Tim was no longer lonely. The kite was his friend. The kite loved to fly. Tim loved to run with the kite. But one day the sky turned dark. The wind was very strong. Tim held the string tightly. Be careful, kite, Tim shouted. The kite flew higher and higher. It was dancing in the sky. This is too high, said the kite. The wind blew too hard. The string broke. Oh no, Tim cried. The kite floated away. Tim ran after it. Come back, kite, he shouted. But the kite flew over the village. It flew over the trees. It flew out of sight. Tim fell to his knees. He was very sad. He missed his kite. Please be safe, kite, he whispered. Days passed. Tim looked at the sky every day. He hoped to see his kite. He felt lonely again. I miss my friend, he said. One day he saw a red dot in the sky. Is it my kite? He wondered. The red dot came closer. It was a little red kite. It had found its way back. Tim was overjoyed. He ran to catch the string. You are back, Tim shouted. Yes, I am back, said the kite. The kite was happy too. I saw many places, it said, but I missed you, Tim. It flew high and free again. Tim and the kite played together every day. They never let go of each other. The little red kite was at home. It was happy. It was loved. That's all from this story. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We will meet you again in our next videos. Till then, bye bye.